It starts with a call, then it's a drive, and then it's a friend. I've been on every angle of this situation before. I've made the call, I've seen the drive, and I've been the friend. Every angle but the one I'm in right now. How's your weekend? A little rough around the edges.
Young Sicilian, man, we're back at you.
Is there any other
Great
guy?
confusion. By the elbow.
We don't do things like we used to.
We'll go again.
Don't get
Shit,
invited,
my
Sonny.
man. Blowing that cushion the wind. Every time again. We on the yard, my baby. We on the yard. Shit. Broken home, need a bag of coke, a high heel, lots of you joke. Ace got you on the choke. Who is gonna pay the rent? Fight with shorty, she is acting too naughty. That ain't the joke. Broken windows, lost no hope. Knife hanging from a rope. Judge give me 10 plus lethal injection. Mama could not go. A dirty liars, whore crack, hip hop, flyers, plus we broke. Ghetto, please pass me the metal. I think I'm not good mental. I don't wanna do murder, but that's the anthem. Life when you living in the ghetto. Now I'm in the state pen, man, I wish I had a pen to write this shit down, but who the hell cares? Visitors get scared, and every time when I come around, man, I lost, don't wanna be found.
We are not the people who are flying and floating that shit in here. I know every time you turn on the TV, that's what you see. Black people selling the rock, pushing the rock, pushing the rock. Yeah, I know, but that wasn't a problem as long as it was here. It wasn't a problem until it was in Iowa and it showed up on Wall Street where there are hardly any black people. If you want to talk about guns, why is it that there's a gun shop on almost every corner in this community?
Plus I'm in the lockdown about a week. I got 30 from the fucking pound. D-block now, it's coming around in a hurry. Plus I'm through with 2 times losing drug abuser. No ferry, don't ask me how I get here. That's what you got when you're living in the ghetto with no cherry. You better have your 9 ready, baptized even Freddy. Haters, yeah, I got many, but I'm on that Tony shit. Bitch, you owe me, that's the story. Corey, sorry for the shit that you pulled from my door. What I was told, nothing to hold. Always have to break bread and got bold. Pain, I watch you marry, now you're sorry. Yeah, I'm ready to die. And when you worry, I broke and you walked away with that phony. You remember, you call me Tony.
For the same reason that there's a liquor store on almost every corner in the black community. Why? They want us to kill ourselves. You go out to Beverly Hills, you don't see that shit. But they want us to kill ourselves. Yeah, the best way you can destroy a people, you take away their ability to reproduce themselves. Who is it that's dying out here on these streets every night? Y'all. Young brothers like yourselves.
What am I supposed to do? Fool roll up, try to smoke me? Shoot the motherfucker if he don't kill me first.
Doing exactly what they want you to do. You have to think, young brother, about your future.
Huh?
Fuck that. I'm going to Vegas.
Dog life niggas send me out, motherfuckers. Ha.
This is the angle of the situation I know pretty well. We're like brothers to each other. Difference is, I never wanted a brother in the first place.
Young Sicilian, man, we're back at you. Great confusion. My elbow. Wow. We'll go again. Shit, my man. Bloom that cushion away. Every time again. We on the yard, my baby. We on the yard. Shit. Broken home, need a bag of coke, a high heel, lots of the joke. Ace got you on the choke. Who's gonna pay the rent? Fight with shit.
Yo, cuz, I know I got the call last night. Shouldn't have been there in the first place. I don't want that shit to come back to haunt you. I've been up this early in a long time. Turned on the TV this morning. Had to sit on the bottom. tired of living in a violent world. Showed all these foreign places foreigners living on. Started thinking, man. Either they don't know, don't show, or don't care about what's going on in the hood.